Dustin again here with Stinger Attachments. Today we're going to be answering some questions of a customer asked us, how do you hook up a quick attach? They're actually pretty basic, pretty simple. Today I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So typically in the quick attach on the tractor side, you're going to notice that pretty common. They look like this. They're going to have a flat top, and what that does, that seats into the top of the attachment where you have a flat bar, and then typically a pin on each side of the plate. Real simple up and down hookups, typically with levers. Some are motorized, some are hydraulic, but what I'm going to demonstrate is hooking up to our compact pallet fork. So I'm going to hop in the tractor and show you that. So always make sure as you come out to make sure it's lashed in, the parking brake is on the tractor. But what you do is you come over here and you flip these bars down. Something you want to do is just stand back from the attachment and just make sure that the actual plate on the tractor side is seated tight to the plate on the attachment side. And then visually come back and make sure that your pins are all the way through. And then something I always do is after I get it hooked up, I always lift the attachment, make sure everything is clear, nobody's around. Just tilt that attachment so you can visually see on the cab or in the cab of the tractor. Real simple, easy to do. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is show you how to unhook the attachment. Again, real simple. Lift up the bars, or if it's in the cab, it's going to typically be a button with a little symbol, whether it's motorized or hydraulic. Just typically push that until you hear a clicking noise, depending on the manufacturer.